Let's talk about flies. I know you're sick of them already, and it's only July. Flies are a problem throughout this warm season, especially when it's humid, but there are things you can do to minimize them in your yard. Part of the problem, if you have dogs, is that lovely dog poop. Pick it up every day if you can and get it far away from your yard. Get it wrapped in multiple layers to go in the trash can or bury it if you have something like that going on in your yard. Flies love that as their favorite place to lay eggs, and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of flies per day can happen from dog poop. So, yes, get it away. Beg your neighbors to pick up theirs. If you can't do that every day, or if you don't even have pets and you don't know why the flies are so bad, my two favorite enemies of a fly. Of course, a fly swatter inside. I mean, keep it handy and have one in every room if you have to. It's awesome. But if you want to handle your yard like a pro, a fly relief trap away from the house is awesome because flies go in and they don't come out. Yeah, they're smelly, but you can also get rid of them once a week and keep them out of your trash by wrapping them really tight and setting them out of the way the day before the garbage man comes. My very favorite thing is Alpine PT fly bait. This is a spray it and forget it kind of product. Twice a week maybe. Back porch area, entryways. Spray it along non-porous surfaces. I use it on my actual window up high where my dog can't reach it, or along the edges of my metal window frames, especially near my back porch or on my porch itself, inside and out. Flies go to this clear liquid that you cannot see, lick it, and die right there. It's amazing. Go away for a couple days. When you spray it inside, you'll be surprised how many dead flies are on the floor next to your door. Sweep them up, no problem. Not going to be dangerous if your cat or your dog decides to ingest them either. So that's one of my favorite products. The other thing is there are so many little helping sticky things, but very few of them really work. I have a couple in here just to show you. Fly sticky trap. Sure, if you have a barn, that's a great thing. Or you have some type of an outside play area for kids and you can hang this up super high. Some flies will get stuck on them, but they're unsightly and they're not my favorite. This is my all-time favorite. So it's worth every penny to always be using this. Like I said, a couple times a week is all I have to use it, and my flies are always dying. So that's my recommendation. Oh, don't forget, if you have a lot of flies all at once, there's some reason. And then you may have a rat problem and have a dead body somewhere that you don't know about. Or, maybe a coyote in the neighborhood killed a bird and it's sitting out in your alley. Check your perimeters often. Not just the perimeter of your house, but the perimeter of your yard and the perimeters of your alley for dead bodies. That's where flies are coming from most of the time. Thanks.